Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to unhide any contact on Messenger, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open the Messenger app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your chats and settings. Step 2. Once you're in, locate the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the app. Tap on them to open menu. Step 3. From the menu, look for the settings icon at the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on it to proceed to the settings page. Step 4. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you see the privacy and safety option. Tap on it to continue. Step 5. In the privacy and safety menu, find the hidden contacts option and tap on it. You'll now see a list of all the contacts you've previously hidden. Step 6. Finally, select the contact you want to unhide. Simply tap on the Unhide button and the contact will be unhidden immediately. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.